I think it's an incredibly exciting future. When you think about the world's population is going to be something like 85% urbanized, and you think we've hardly started yet. Africa will do what Asia has done over the next 50 years, and when you add that up, you realize the extraordinary challenge people in design, architecture and the built environment have got. And then you add it together with the sustainability agenda. And when you realize that 40% of all our energy costs are tied up in building, you realize what an extraordinary challenge the built environment, architecture and design have. And when I look at the kind of resources we have in our faculty, as we face these kind of challenges the built environment faces, not just in Australia, but in the whole urbanization push across the whole globe, you see that the capabilities we have in architectural science, design lab, urban planning, heritage conservation, architecture and the many other disciplines we offer, that we have the range and we have the depth to be able to address these great challenges. What you need to have is really two things. One is an absolute passionate interest in architecture, design and the built environment. That's absolutely essential, but it's not enough. Secondly, you must be passionately committed to wanting to use architecture and design to improve that environment for people. It's about making a world that people really want to be in, live in, enjoy, have satisfying lives in. And you must have those two passions. And our educational experience is about trying to unleash that passion, giving you the opportunity to find your own way to address it. You'll be joining the brightest and the best students in the country. And that's incredibly important. The faculty is not just about the studios, it's not just about the staff, it's not just about all the facilities and labs we have to offer, but it's about the other students. And when you're with a group of students who've got the highest aspirations, the highest intellect, the highest design capability, you get a more than the sum of the parts effect. You're carried up by each other. Your aspirations and your values feed off each other, and you'll go further than you ever thought possible.